8 pros and cons about EPDM roofing coming up next.
Pro number 1, its durability. EPDM is highly durable and can withstand various weather conditions, including extreme heat, cold, and heavy rain. It is also resistant to UV rays, which helps prevent cracking and fading. Pro number 2, affordability. It's one of the most affordable flat roofing systems available, making it a popular option for commercial and residential buildings. Pro number 3, low maintenance. It requires minimal maintenance, making it a cost-effective option over time. It is also resistant to algae and mold growth, which can help maintain its appearance. Pro number 4, its long lifespan. It has a long lifespan that can last up to 30 years or more with proper maintenance. Now let's talk about the EPDM cons. Con number 1, its limited color options. It's only available in black, which may not be ideal for those looking for a specific color aesthetic. Con number 2, prone to punctures. EPDM can be prone to punctures and may require additional care when walking on it or performing maintenance. Con number 3, difficult to repair. It can be difficult to repair and may require specialized equipment and expertise to fix any damage or leaks. Con number 4, environmental concerns. It is made from petroleum-based materials and may not be suitable for those looking for a more sustainable roofing option. Well, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this.